I am Dr. Varun, Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering, V Raju Garu Technology, and it gives me immense pleasure to introduce the department M.Tech program, which is Engineering Design. And this is a 2-year program which is designed specifically to enable the engineering students to develop specific capabilities in the stream of engineering design. And they work with a focus in design methodologies and also involved with a high degree of research orientation and supplement with the practical insights. So in order to let me elaborate in detail few of the salient points that the department is able to offer. So beside the core courses, the variety of electives are being offered to these students, which gives practical insights to them, and these are all professional electives. And students are enabled to pursue their projects in industry, which is a live project, and also they take up consultancy works in the industry, and they are also associated with some of the research laboratories where the industry experts will guide them. And we also send the students to various workshops, seminars, conferences across India. There is a research funding and seed funding is also culture is also there in the institute, which will promote those students who would like to take up the research interest to the next level. The department has got MoUs with industries, and this enables the students to pursue their internship and the consultancy works. College is also having an excellent digital library, which is having subscription to all good publishers, which they can get access to and also contribute for their research, for their conferences and publications. This also is an advantage for those who wants to carry out their research and then go for higher studies like PhD and abroad. And institute also has got a very good placement license offices across India, which is again advantageous to the students because we promote 100% placements for all the eligible students. And the institute is very particular about the SDG Sustainable Development Goals, which is also very mandatory for those who are pursuing in their M.Tech degree, and that is an ask for the institute abroad. And I request all the GATE qualifiers to contact us as early as possible, because there are exciting concessions and the stipend of being provided to all the GATE qualifiers. So you can reach out to us and see that you avail this at the earliest. So thank you all the best.
Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to Center for Automotive Technology Lab. Myself Dr. R. Mukalato. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in V Raju Institute of Technology. So in this lab, especially our PG students are involved on the design and manufacturing of different types of vehicles. So in such a case, this is one of the type. This is called as ATV, all-terrain vehicle. So there is a competition called as SAE e-Baba. So Society of Automotive Engineers India will always conduct the event. That our students will involve on the design, manufacturing and analysis. So this vehicle completely designed by the PG students. They will use SolidWorks, CATIA and Fusion 360 or the modeling software for design this. And ANSYS and Altair, those softwares will be utilized for the analysis of the vehicle. So this is, for example, after modeling, they will prepare the prototype with the help of pipes. They will check all the driver ergonomics and then they will go for the real-time fabrication. So this is another type of vehicle called as go-kart. So go-kart is an on-road vehicle. The ground clearance will be less, and with the help of that, they can create high-speed vehicles. So in addition to Baba and the go-kart vehicles, our students are involved in the preparation of electric bike, and there is another vehicle called as Tiffan. Tiffan is agricultural supportive vehicle. So this kind of things, from starting conceptual design to till the end of the product, will be carried out by the students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is a go-kart and ATV testing track available in BVRIT. So this track is located within the campus. As I already mentioned, in Center for Automotive Technology Lab, the PG students are involving on the design and manufacturing of the ATV, go-kart and electric bike. So the fabricated vehicles will be taken to this track and then they will do different type of testing. So in this testing track, we have different type of testing facilities. For endurance and brake test, we'll use the plain road, and in addition to that, in order to check the traction and we track with such a kind of technical things will be tested with the help of this facility. Especially this is SNT, suspension and traction test. You can see hill type structure. The designed vehicle will climb over there. Practically, what is the result? We can able to find like that. Different types of hill climbing things will be there, and then the real time mud pool will be there. The pool will be filled by the water. Vehicle will move inside and then it has to climb. Such a kind of testing can be done. And then here continuous speed breakers, here different type of hurdles will be there, and again here breakers. So vehicle has to pass over this and it has to clear the test. So such a kind of facility within the campus it is available in our college. So the BVRIT is fully equipped with testing track, manufacturing facilities, design and analysis software. So these are the facilities available in the campus. Students are utilizing for their project works, competitions as well as research purpose. Thank you.
Welcome all. My name is Akshay Kulkarni, Assistant Professor from the Mechanical Engineering Department, V Raju Institute of Technology. I would like to introduce two labs, that is Computer-Aided Modeling Lab and Computer-Aided Analysis Lab. In the first lab, that is Computer-Aided Modeling, students are going to model the various machine components like a screw jack, machine-wise plumber block with the help of high-ended softwares like SolidWorks. Second one is CATIA, NX CAD-CAM bundle and Fusion 360. And when it comes to the second lab, that is Computer-Aided Analysis Lab, whatever the components modeled in the first lab will be analyzed with the help of ANSYS software. Thank you.
Welcome you all for the M.Tech Research Lab. Myself, Dr. P. Sendil Kumar, working as a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, V Raju Institute of Technology. The student for M.Tech first year, they will get training on the software like Computer-Aided Modeling Lab, Computer-Aided Analysis Lab. Apart from that, this M.Tech Research Lab will be helpful for their project work, publication, conference attending, all those things. In this lab, we have facility like Altair softwares for Hypermesh, Inspire, OptiStruct, CATIA PLM, Innovel, Elmia, CFP Research version. Apart from this, we have MoUs with different companies like Altair, TCS, CATIA PLM and Arita TBS. Through this MOU, students will be trained in advanced softwares by industry experts and with assured placements. Thank you.
Welcome to Kinematics and Dynamics Lab. This is Dr. A. Padma Shri, Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Here this lab is basically for mechanical B.Tech and also the engineering design M.Tech students. And here in this lab we have the computerized robotic arm and gyroscope, that is motorized gyroscope. The students can able to do the gyroscopic effect and gyroscopic couple here in this. And also we have the universal vibration machine, that is forced and free vibration. And we have the rotor balancing machine, and this is developed by the faculty, one of our faculty member. And this is the balancing of thin rotor with vibrometer, and this one is the static and dynamic balancing. Here, in addition to these experiments, in this we have the FFT analyzer, that is Fourier transducer analyzer, and this is very useful for getting the vibration of the machine components like lathe machine, shaper machines and other machines related to these machine tools. Like that, the B.Tech and M.Tech students, they can able to perform the different research related work in kinematics and dynamics lab. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Dr. R. Telugu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, ME-BVRIT. So welcome to AICT Idea Lab. Idea Lab is having full equipped with high-end advanced manufacturing machines. The purpose of this lab is students will have multiple number of ideas. Those ideas should be converted into suitable prototypes. In order to do that, we have the manufacturing facilities here. So here we have a 3D printing machine. Generally, PG students, engineering design students will use SolidWorks, CATIA, such a kind of 3D modeling tools. With the help of those tools, they can design the innovative mechanisms and any other models. So practically it is feasible or not, we can print with the help of 3D printer and then we can ensure the feasibilities. So here for example some of the mechanisms like piston cylinder mechanisms. So those 3D model things will be printed with the help of 3D printer and then we can do a lot of analysis in it. Also we have another 3D printer, this is a resin based 3D printer. In FDM 3D printer raw material will be in the form of filament. Here photopolymer resin will be there. Because of lights, the photopolymer will be cured and then the required prototype will be converted. So these are all the facilities we have. Students are utilizing effectively these 3D printers. Then this facility is the 3D scanning facility, reverse engineering. Generally the engineering design will start from design to product. In some cases we need to do the reverse engineering where complicated designs are there if you want to reflect that. In that case, we have a Calibre Mini 3D scanner. So the purpose of this 3D scanner is we can scan any 3D model, it will be able to capture the file and then we can edit, we can modify as per the requirement. For this we are using Calibre Nest from software. Also in order to do editing or any other modification, we are using Design Magic. The Design Magic is a software which will help us for editing. And then the edited files we can go for the 3D printing. So this setup is completely digital manufacturing, which will be very much helpful for the students. Our PG students are involving in this kind of facilities in order to complete their project works as well as their research works. This is another facility in Idea Lab. This machine name is called as laser cutting machine. So here the source of laser is CO2 based laser. With the help of this laser cutting machine, we can be able to prepare different types of prototypes. For example, our students have prepared some eco bin here to prevent monkey or any other animals. Generally it may disturb the dustbin. In order to prevent from them, they developed some mechanism. So like that, students will take their imagination to the next level. Since we have the in-house facility, whatever the idea, whether the idea is good or bad, they can check with our prototyping facility immediately and then they can go for the redesign or the betterment one. So here generally 3D modeling we can make or 2D modeling separate component also we can cut. If not based on 3D modeling, they can slice the models and with the help of laser cutting machine, they can develop excellent type of prototypes. Especially different types of mechanism utilized in engineering design can be developed with the help of this laser cutting machine. This is another type of 3D printing machine. The difference between the previous machines which we have seen and this machine is, it is a high-end research version machine. In that machine, if you see, you can have two different types of nozzle. So with the help of that, you can see such a kind of prototypes. One material on one color, another material on another color. That makes two different material will be composite. Because of this, the material will offer more mechanical strength. You can observe the machine here. There are two different types of nozzle. So one layer, one material, another layer, another material. Like we can slice the model based on our convenience. Generally, students after design, they will use a software called Cura. The purpose of that Cura software is to generate the G code for the CAD model. So with the help of that, we can make a lot of prototypes. Here you can see our students last time for PG minor project, they have prepared pick and place robotic arm with a different mechanism. Like that, students can enrich their ideas and different innovative ideas can be generated with the help of this Idea Lab facilities. So these are the mechanical facilities available in AICT Idea Lab. Whenever you want to work on any hand tools, drilling machine, belt grinding machine, Dremel shop and grinding machine, welding machine, all manufacturing facilities are there. When students want to work on different types of metals, these facilities will be helpful to fulfill their idea. This is CNC wood router machine. With the help of this machine, student can be able to prepare the prototype in wood. Especially they will use the AutoCAD software to prepare the design, and in some cases Fusion 360 will be helpful for preparing CAM code. Here we are using ArtCAM as a software to generate the G code. With the help of this machine, students can be able to prepare different types of prototypes. For example, here for urban gardening, this is a design challenge held in BVRIT. Last time our PG students prepared some prototypes. So they will design the pieces separately, and then it will be cutted with the help of wood router machine, and then it will be assembled. Like that, a lot of innovative ideas can be developed. Since we have all these manufacturing facilities within the campus, it's an in-house facility. The students no need to go anywhere to execute their project works. All the ideas, all the innovations can be executed with the help of this idea lab.